Yeah!
No, my baby.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello?
Where am I? What is this? Ah! Ah! Who are you? Sorry, no, sorry. Ah!
Work it out. I'll be leaving.
Ow! Ah! Finally get to do this. Time before you die. Ah! Ah! You're gonna pay for that. Ah!
Hey, what's going on here? Hey, it's working on, not. Whoa, working it. Hey, where do you think you're going? Okay, guys, we have a new student. His name is Butter, and yeah, and you two will be getting along. So that was unexpected, now, Butter. But anyways, let's just move on. What's 5 times 3? It's not 3.
Ah! Ah!
Hey! Hey! What are you guys doing? Now? Hey!
Ah! Oh, my back! Ah!
Hey! Both of you! I do not want to hear any more words. Principal's office. Okay, I heard you guys were doing some Nazi stuff. Is that true? Hey, this isn't playtime. Why are you wearing a night costume?
Broke my neck. Take a in my hands.
Hey! Why are you playing with Doug? Let go of him! Give me Doug! Okay. Now, we're going to talk about your guys' actions. This wasn't the first time. See, now, who started this crap? Alright, you. Tell me what happened.
So he got a question wrong, and then he started punching me. And he broke my back. He pushed me.
You two, I do not want. Hey, it's not your turn to talk. Hey, you're expelled. Oh, my nose, my nose. Tell me what happened. We brought in little Timmy again. So come here, little Timmy. Just know, if you're handcuffed, you cannot do anything to this poor child. You two talk it out. If you guys do one thing that's bad, I will come in here and karate chop both of your freaking living hearts out. Talk it out. Damn it.